Hello, I just thought I'd give you a quick update on what I've been doing with the van this week. Didn't get much done last week, obviously due to the snow that we had, and obviously I can't cut wood outside and things in that weather. So I've stole a couple of hours during the week here and there and carried on with the headlining. It's getting there, I'm quite happy with it. Still not sure about the final finish, but you know, it's coming there. Well, anyway, here it is, have a look, see what you think so far. The boards on the ceiling are temporary. I've not decided about my final finishing yet. That will come, but I'm getting there with the headlining. I've cut the original headlining down a little bit and then put this fascia trim on. The light's not brilliant. I don't know if you can see it. Let's put it down and have a look. You see? Yeah, I like it. I prefer it like this. It's better, it's easy to get in and out the back. As you see, there's like a clear walk through due to me having single seats. But it's getting there slowly. Hello and welcome. Today I am insulating my floor and putting a subfloor in. As you can see, the first thing I did was remove the cargo hooks. Then I covered the floor with the foil, stuck down, obviously taped up and joined to the edges where I flapped out on the side. And then I built this framework up to support the floor. As you can see, my framework. This will support the floor on it. The next stage is to put in the insulation, which I shall do now. There you go, there's all the polystyrene down now. Give it a quick sweep out. And then I'm ready to put my subfloor on. Let's take you around here and give you a view from the back. There you go. First layer thermal, then the battens, then the polystyrene, and now for the subfloor. Well, now you can see I put my subfloor in, made a little step as well. Bit of sanding to be done. Let me show you from the rear. It's my little dog. There you go. Fine subfloor fitted. I'll probably be laminating over the top of that. But it's getting there. Well, I'm definitely getting there with the van. And now my floor's down, I've now got to start thinking about my finishes. My ceilings needs to be done. And I have to decide what I'm going to cover it and how I'm going to design it. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Any comments, just send them down below and I shall answer. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.